Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring essentials are ready. Confirm the tablet model and that you remember the Google account linked to it, because that account often protects the reset. Once done, charge the device above half and, if you can, back up photos or files to avoid loss. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi network name and password. You may need internet during setup. Now power off, because the next step uses recovery or manufacturer button sequences to access reset options. You'll press the model-specific buttons to enter recovery mode, typically power plus a volume key, and hold until the boot menu appears. Once in recovery, use volume keys to navigate to wipe data/factory reset and press power to confirm. This clears user data and the lock. Make sure you accept any final confirmations. After the process finishes, select Reboot System Now. This restores the tablet to factory state. You'll sign in again and may face account verification. Once rebooted, set up the tablet like new. Choose language, connect Wi-Fi, and sign in with the Google account that was on the device to satisfy factory reset protection. This is why that account matters. If you can't remember the account, immediately use Google Account Recovery or contact the tablet maker with proof of purchase. If the recovery button sequence didn't work, try Find My Device to erase remotely or call manufacturer support for guided help. These steps resolve most stubborn lock issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.